Hello children, I'm Sonia Advani and you are attending Sonia's classroom. पिछले वीडियो में मैंने द ट्रेजर विद इन लेसन अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया था. आज उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बताऊंगी. सो लेट्स बिगिन. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What did Hafiz contractor have nightmares about? Answer. Hafiz contractor had nightmares about appearing for a maths examination where he did not know anything. Question 2. What did the principal say to him which influenced him deeply? Answer. The principal said to him that he can no more take care of Hafiz and he must rise to the occasion and study as his mother has worked very hard to bring him up till here. Question 3. That year I did not step out onto the field. What was he busy doing that year? Answer. He was busy studying books that year. Question 4, Part 1. What distraction did Hafiz contractor create one day? Answer. He played chore police with his friends for 1 whole hour. Part 2. Would you have liked to participate in the distraction had you been with him? Answer. Yes, I would have definitely participated in the distraction as during childhood every child enjoys such distractions. अब comprehension check 2 के question answers. First question. Hafiz contractor wanted to join the police force. Why didn't he? Answer. He couldn't join the police force because his mother did not like him to. She asked him to do his graduation. Question 2. In the architect's office, Hafiz contractor was advised to drop everything and join architecture. Why? Answer. In the architect's office, the architect, who happened to be Hafiz's cousin's husband, accidentally discovered his potential of becoming a great architect and advised him to immediately drop everything and join architecture. Question 3, Part 1. What was Mrs. Gupta's advice to Hafiz contractor? Answer. Mrs. Gupta advised Hafiz contractor to become an architect on growing up. Part 2. What made her advise him so? Answer. After seeing the sketches made by Hafiz contractor, she advised him to become an architect. Question 4. How did he help fellow students who had lost a button? Answer. He helped the fellow students who had lost a button by cutting a button from chalk with the help of a blade. Question 5. Which rules did he break as a schoolboy? Answer. As a schoolboy, he broke many rules. Until his SSC, he always copied to pass his examinations. He was more interested in playing, pranking and gang fights than any academics. Question 6, Part 1. What is Hafiz contractor's definition of mathematics? Answer. According to Hafiz contractor, putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch using all that is mathematics. Part 2. How would you want to define mathematics? Do you like the subject? Answer. According to me, mathematics is equal to logic without which nothing makes sense. I of course like it. Children, now questions from the lesson. First question. Is it likely that someone who is original and intelligent does not do very well at school? Should such a learner be called a failure? If not, why not? Answer. It is quite likely that someone who is original and intelligent does not do very well at school. Such learner should not be called a failure because I believe that marks cannot be the only criterion to define one's intelligence. Very often these kind of children are found to rise high in life. Question 2. Who in your view is an unusual learner? Answer. An unusual learner is one who might be a genius in some particular subject or field but may not be that good in all others. Question 3. What can schools do to draw out the best in unusual learners? Suggest whatever seems reasonable to you. Answer. The schools must focus on every child's individual capacity and area of interest and teach him or her accordingly. Children should be given ample opportunities in school to realize, then develop their area of interest. बच्चों, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस जो मुझे इम्पॉर्टेंट लग रहे हैं पर आपके बुक में नहीं पूछे गए हैं, मैं वो बता रही हूँ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Did Hafiz contractor undergo any kind of inferiority complex at school because of his poor marks? Answer. Hafiz Contractor was not interested in academics, but he was very much interested in playing. He was the captain of the cricket team and was a senior champion for many years. I don't think he underwent any such feeling as he had no time for that. Second question. Hafiz Contractor had a different technique for learning something. What was that? Answer. Hafiz Contractor sees the things as a photograph to remember them. He doesn't remember them through his mind. Third question. Why did students used to book Hafiz's book for the following year? Answer. Hafiz Contractor detested studies, hence he rarely touched his books. He used to open them just one day before exams. This is why they remained almost new till the very end, so the juniors liked to book his books. Question 4. How did Hafiz Contractor get into the field of architecture? Answer. After joining graduation at the Jai Hind College, he had to opt for French. He was very poor at this subject, so he used to learn it from his cousin. For this, he used to go to her husband's office, who was an architect. Once he saw there somebody drawing a window detail, which is considered as a very advanced drawing in architecture. Hafiz told him that his drawing was wrong, and he was proved right also. The architect was surprised on seeing this. He then asked him to draw few more sketches, which Hafiz drew on the spot. After seeing those sketches, the architect asked him to drop everything and join architecture. Then he cleared the entrance exam with A+ grade. After that, he never looked back. This is how he joined this field. तो बच्चों, इसी के साथ ये लेसन और ये वीडियो एंड कर रही हूँ. जल्द मिलूंगी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ. और हाँ, अगर आप लोगों को मेरा पढ़ाया अच्छा लगे तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना याद रखिएगा. साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि मैं आपके कोर्स के लेसन्स ही अपलोड कर रही हूँ अभी. बाय एंड स्टे सेफ.